Hello, have you heard of this place? It's the Property Investor Show in London, and its corridors are paved with gold, if you hadn't already heard. So get on down, have a look, and if you're a property investor or a would-be property investor, this is the place to be.
If you're a property investor and you want to find out who's doing what in the market, this is by far the biggest show.
I just finished listening to a seminar and that was very, very informative. He said he had 42 years experience in the property game and he was just a wealth of knowledge.
It's been great to see all the different businesses in the industry and obviously just find out a little bit about the property market in the UK. For example, mortgage brokers, solicitors. It's also great to build not only our client base, but also the potential collaborators.
The market is a little bit under threat from regulation, possibly a changing government. So knowing who you're working with and really understanding your audience and your suppliers and who's going to support you on that journey is critical.
There's so many fascinating personalities that are here.
You've got some very savvy individuals here. This is not their first rodeo.
All of these exhibitions is a way to make a strong connection.
It's good to get to know everybody and what's available. I felt this was the best opportunity, given it's in central London.
We have had lots and lots of potential clients coming by our stand, and the quality of the audience is amazing.
To get in front of thousands of people in 2 days, it's invaluable. Footfall is brilliant.
You can always learn more in property, so it's good to keep expanding your education.
People who are in the industry who are wanting to grow or experience and want to expand even further, they will be enticed to come here.
The show highlight today, I've got to say, is a little pixie house, and it's fascinating. You go inside there, all the mod cons, which is really creative.
So it's been a real mix of people, new investors, experienced investors, portfolio investors. It's been everything we've wanted. This show has delivered for us.
The Property Investor Show, which, to be honest, has no rivals in the United Kingdom. It is the best show of its kind for the private investor, is that you will come here and learn so many things from so many people that it is worth the journey.
To sum up my experience, I would say it's eye-opening,
educational,
exciting,
Inspirational,
business.
It's vibrant
And fun.